Hello guys, let's convert from base 10 to binary. Conversion from base 10 to binary can be complicated sometimes, but it's actually a very simple method to follow. Alright, so before you convert from base 10 to binary, you need to know these rules. So let's take a look at the rules. So rule 1 is take note of the base you're converting it into. So you divide the base you're converting by the base you're converting it into. Then secondly, note your remainders down. Note remainders, because remainders are so important. And the third one, pick from bottom to top. Pick from bottom to top. Okay, let's get to work. So number 1 say convert 25 base 10 to binary. So working this down here, we have 25. Okay, so 25 base 10. We divide it by the binary we are converting it into, and the binary is base 2, so that's 2. 2 divide 2, 1, 2 divide 5, 2 remainder 1. So you see, I'm taking note of my remainder. Next one, 2 divide 12 is 6, remainder 0. So I told you your remainders are important. 2 divide 6, 3, remainder 0. 2 divide 3, 1, remainder 1. 2 divide 1, 0, remainder 1. So we pick from bottom to top. So this will give us 1, 1, 0, 0, 1 base 2. So write our answer equals 1, 1, 0, 0, 1 base 2. Okay, next one. Number 2 says convert 17 base 10 to binary. So let's write that down. So we divide by the base we are converting it into, and that's 2. So divide 17, that's 8, remainder 1. 2 divide 8 is 4, remainder 0. 2 divide 4 is 2, remainder 0. 2 divide 2 is 1, remainder 0. 2 divide 1 is 0, remainder 1. Okay, so this is equals to 1, 0, 0, 0. Oh, remember, we pick from bottom to top. So this is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, base 2. Okay, next one. Number 3 says convert 48 base 10 to binary, and binary is base 2, so we're dividing by 2. 2 divide 4 is 2, 2 divide 8 is 4, remainder 0. 2 divide 2, 1, 2 divide 4, 2, remainder 0. 2 divide 12, 6, remainder 0. And 2 divide 6, 3, remainder 0. And 2 divide 3, 1, remainder 1. And 2 divide 1, 0, remainder 1. So picking from bottom to top, we have 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, base 2, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, base 2. Okay, next one. Number 4 say convert 219 base 10, 219 base 10 to base 2. So converting to binary, we divide it by 2, right? 2 divide 2, 1, 2 divide 1, 0, remainder 1. 2 divide 19 is 9, remainder 1. 2 divide 10 is 5. 2 divide 9 is 4, remainder 1. 2 divide 5 is 2, remainder 1. 2 divide 14 is 7, remainder 0. 2 divide 2, 1. 2 divide 7 is 3, remainder 1. 2 divide 13 is 6, remainder 1. 2 divide 6 is 3, remainder 0. 2 divide 3 is 1, remainder 1. Okay, 2 divide 1, 0, remainder 1. Taking from bottom to top, we have 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So let's write it down. Let me write it down here so I can wipe off 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 base 2. Okay, let's write our answer. So our answer is 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 base 2. So the next one says convert 93 base 10 to binary. So 93, we divide by 2. 2 divide 9, it's 4, remainder 1. 2 divide 13, 6, remainder 1. 2 divide 4, 2. 2 divide 6, 3, remainder 0. 2 divide 2, 1. 2 divide 3, 1, remainder 1. 2 divide 11, 5, remainder 1. 2 divide 5, 2, remainder 1. 2 divide 2, 1, remainder 0. 2 divide 1, 0, remainder 1. Picking from bottom to top, we have, okay, let's write it here. Okay, let's write it here. So we have 1011 101 base 2. So wipe this off and write it here. So our answer is 1011 101 base 2. So this is our answer for conversion. And this is how we convert base 10, which is decimal numbers, to binary numbers, which is base 2. So if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section and I will answer you. You can find our study WhatsApp group in the channel description and join the group. So see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, all right, so you support what we do. Thank you.